Okay, I'm going to undo this. Check this out. That's it. Quick disconnect. It's cool. Okay, this is an Imperial quick coupler, and it's got a 5/16. That's a through hole with a seal, and you use that to go through and quickly connect up to a, say, a mini split here with 5/16. This is screwed on, and it doesn't discharge the Schrader valve yet. And then when you push this on here, it's going to go through and you latch it on to this feature here. So it's going to be like this. You make sure that's latched on so it doesn't pull off right there. So there's a little feature that allows you to go through and not release all refrigerant into the air. And there's two reasons. One is that's not good practice to do that. It can be legal. Two is you've got a little system that has very little capacity in gas. Once you charge it up, you don't want to have an error because you know, bleep out a portion of an ounce or something out of there by having to unscrew this, and then it leaks out. So that's kind of a cool device. Imperial 27C quick coupler. Eliminates refrigerant discharge. So it braces the Schrader valve when you physically push that on. I notice it didn't pee out any refrigerant yet. It's finger tight. See, there's a hole through there. This is a rubber seal. This presses the Schrader after this is already on. That's why you don't lose any refrigerant. So these two things are the quick disconnect, and then this is an adapter from 3/8 to 1/4, and then this is the valve. Goes to the testo. Okay, here's a quick coupler, and then there's a liquid charging adapter. Right here it has a metered small little orifice to not allow. I'll slowly meter it through because this is the low side and I don't want to put direct liquid in there and ruin the compressor.